Hello students, good morning. Students, today is 7th August 2020 and exercise 3rd of chapter number 5 was going on till question 3rd has been finished. So today I will start question number 4. In question number 4 it has been given arrange in descending order, and in the A part the fractions has been given 9 by 14, 5 by 7 and 11 by 21. Students, remember in the previous class I have told to you about the ascending order. So you will follow the same pattern here to solve it. In the ascending order you have write first smallest number, then at last in the sequence order you will write it in the last greatest number. So same pattern you will follow here, but here you will write the smallest here you will write greatest number, then at last you will follow the स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर. असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में आप सबसे पहले छोटा नंबर लिखते हो, छोटा फ्रैक्शंस लिखते थे, उसके बाद उससे बड़ा, फिर लास्ट में सबसे बड़ा. एंड इन द डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर पैटर्न आप मेथड सेम फॉलो करोगे, बट यू विल फॉलो दैट टाइप ऑफ द पैटर्न ऑन द डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर. सबसे पहले आप सबसे बड़ा नंबर लिखोगे, फिर उससे छोटा, फिर उससे छोटा, फिर एट लास्ट में सबसे छोटा. ओके, सो यू विल फॉलो द सेम पैटर्न हियर. लुक हियर द सॉल्यूशन ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन. In the question, fractions has been given 9 by 14, 5 by 7 and 11 by 21. So students, you can see it here. In these fractions, the denominator are different. Here 14, here 7 and here 21. So this is your duty. First you will equal the denominator. आप सबसे पहले क्या करोगे? Denominator को आप equal करोगे with the help of the LCM. So look here. In the rough column, you will find out the LCM of denominator. It means 14, 7 and 21. 14, 7 and 21. So first it will be divided by 2. 2 7 ja 41, 7 and 21. Then it will be divided by 3. 7 as it is, and 3 7s are 21, and 7 will be divided by 7. Okay. So LCM is equal to 2 into 3 into 7. So you will multiply it. 2 3s are 6, 6 into 7, 6 7s are 42. Okay. This is your LCM. It means 42 is your LCM. You will write that question on the solution part also. 9 by 14, 5 by 7 and 11 by 21. So students, you have find out the LCM here. The LCM number is 42. So same pattern you will follow here. In 9 by 14, the denominator is 14. So we will divide 42 with 14. आप सबसे पहले क्या करोगे? LCM के नंबर को डिनोमिनेटर से डिवाइड करोगे, फर्स्ट फ्रैक्शन के डिनोमिनेटर से. So you have learned the table of the 14 also. 14 3s are 42. Then जो नंबर आपका आएगा आप उसे मल्टीप्लाई करोगे न्यूमरेटर में. जब आप 14 से 42 में आपने डिवाइड किया तो 3 आया. 3 आपका आंसर आया डिविजल के बाद. देन आप उस नंबर को न्यूमरेटर में मल्टीप्लाई करोगे. 9 into 3 is equal to 9 3s are 27. Clear students? Same pattern you will follow here. In 5 by 7 the denominator is 7. So you will divide 42 with 7. 7 6 are 42. Then 6 आपका डिवाइड करने पर आंसर आया. आप 6 से 5 में मल्टीप्लाई करोगे. 6 5 are 30. ओके. देन 11 by 21. 11 by 21 में डिनोमिनेटर क्या है बेटा? 21. 21 से आप 42 में डिवाइड करोगे. 2 आपका आएगा, एंड जो भी आपका आंसर आया 2 आया, आप उसे न्यूमरेटर में मल्टीप्लाई करोगे. इट मीन्स 11 2s are 22. So now your fractions are, you will write it here 27 by 42. आपके यहाँ डिनोमिनेटर इक्वल हो गए. सो आप इसको ऐसे भी लिख सकते हो 27 by 42, then 30 by 42, then 22 by 42. So in ascending order, in descending order, in the question it has been asked about the descending order. So in descending order, यू विल राइट डिसेंडिंग में सबसे पहले सबसे बड़ा नंबर, फिर उससे छोटा, फिर लास्ट में सबसे छोटा. सो डिनोमिनेटर इक्वल है हियर. सो आप क्या देखोगे? न्यूमरेटर में 27, 30 एंड 22. सो 30 इज द बिगर नंबर इन द कंपेरिजन ऑफ द अदर नंबर्स. सो इट मीन्स 30 अपॉन 42. देन आफ्टर दैट सेकेंड फ्रैक्शन के बाद फर्स्ट फ्रैक्शन 27 by 42. ओके. देन थर्ड फ्रैक्शन 22 by 42. So as it is you will write it here. आप ये आंसर नहीं लिखोगे, ये आपने निकाला है. ठीक है. आप डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर किसके अकॉर्डिंग लिखोगे? जो आपके क्वेश्चंस में दिया था. That has been given as like this. Here second fraction. So here second fraction is 5 by 7. So you will write it here firstly 5 by 7. Okay. Then symbol. Then after that इसके बाद कौन सा नंबर हमने फ्रैक्शन लिया था 27/42 दैट इज योर फर्स्ट फ्रैक्शन एंड हियर फर्स्ट फ्रैक्शन हैज बीन गिवन 9/14 so you will write it here 9/14 okay then at last third fraction here written 22/42 that is the third fraction and here the third fraction is 11/21 so you will write it here 11/21 so this is based on your descending order clear students if you have any doubt then you can also ask the query. Students, B part I have provided to you in your homework and C part I will provide to you in your practice work. Now look the D part. Okay, in the D part the fractions has been given 2/3, 3/4, 4/5 and 5/6. So look the solution of this question. Okay, fractions again you will write it here in the solution 2/3, 3/4, 4/5 and 5/6. So students you can see it here the denominator are not equal. Okay, here so first your duty is this you will equalize your denominator with the help of the LCM in the rough column. So look here 3, 4, 5, 6 that is the number of the denominator. So first it will be divided by 2, 2 2s are then 5 then 6 then 3 2 1 ja 5 oh sorry 2 3 ja 6 also okay 2 3 ja 6 2 4 से 4 को भी डिवाइड कर देगा और 6 को भी so 2 2 जा 4 and 2 3 जा 6 and here 2 1 ja 2 and 3 as it is you have noted down okay then 3 3 1 ja 3 1 5 and 1 then 5 okay 1 1 1 1 okay so your LCM you will write 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 it means 2 2s are 4 4 into 3 into 5 4 3s are 12 12 into 5 is equal to 12 5s are 60 okay so your number of LCM is 60 so you will write it here 60 is your LCM clear friends LCM is 60 and first fraction is 2/3 in 2/3 the denominator is 3 so आप 3 से 60 में डिवाइड करोगे आप so it will be divisible by 20 times आप डिवाइड अगर करोगे तो आपको 20 मिलेगा okay so 20 से आप 2 में मल्टीप्लाई करोगे you can see it here also 3 is the denominator in 2/3 60 में हमने डिवाइड किया 3 2s are 6 and 0 as it is note down so your answer after division is 20 so 20 में आप न्यूमरेटर से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे 20 2s are 40 okay same pattern you will follow in the second fraction in second fraction the denominator is 4 so we will divide 60 from 4 4 1 ja 4 then 2 0 4 5 ja 20 so your dividend your answer is quotient is 15 आपको डिवाइड करने के बाद आंसर क्या मिला 15 15 से आप न्यूमरेटर में मल्टीप्लाई करोगे सेकंड फ्रैक्शन का न्यूमरेटर क्या है 3 so 15 3 जा 45 then third fraction 4/5 in 4/5 the denominator is 5 so 5 से आप LCM में it means 60 में डिवाइड करोगे 5 1s are 5 then 5 2s are 10 so your answer is 12 so here you will multiply from 12 to numerator 12 4s are 48 okay then in 5/6 the denominator is 6 so first you divide 60 from 6 so your answer is 10 so 10 से आप 50 में मल्टीप्लाई 5 मल्टीप्लाई करोगे 50 okay so you can write it here also therefore 40/60 okay 45/60 45/60 48/60 and 50/60 so in the question it has been asked about the in descending order so you will write it here in descending order okay in descending order how can you write it सबसे बड़ा नंबर कौन सा है लास्ट वाला so 50/60 50/60 you can also tell it then after that 48/60 then third number is 45/60 and last number is 40/60 so on the basis of this fraction you can also put the questions fraction so here it has been given first हमने क्या लिया था fourth number then third number then second number then last first number okay so you will put it here on the basis of this so last fraction is 5/6 then 4 by 5, then 3 by 4, and at last you will write 2 by 3. Okay, so students, this is arranged in the descending order. Okay students, so students, if you have any doubt, then you can also ask the query. Okay, now look next question from next page. Okay, so students, E part I have provided to you in your practice work. Now last F part I am solving here. So look here. Here there are the 4 fractions: 5 by 7, 5 by 9, 5 by 6 and 5 by 11. Students, in these fractions the denominator is 7, 9, 6, 11. Remember students, don't be confused. यहाँ पर सारे न्यूमरेटर इक्वल हैं, आप कंफ्यूज मत हो जाइएगा. आपको डिनोमिनेटर इक्वल करने होते हैं. ओके, सो आप न्यूमरेटर देखिए, कंफ्यूज मत होइएगा. सो न्यूमरेटर इज द न्यूमरेटर्स आर सेम while the denominators are different. So first you will equalize it with the help of the LCM. So look here, the LCM numbers is 7, 9, 6 and 11. So it will be divisible by 2 firstly. 7, 9, 2 3s are 6 and 11 as it is. Then 3, 7, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3 and 11 as it is. Then 3, 7, 1, then 1 फिर 11. Then after that 7, 7 1s are 7, 1, 1, then 11. Then 11 1s are 11. So on the basis of this you can write the LCM. LCM is equal to 2 into 3 into 3 into 7 into 11. So now you will multiply 2 3s are 6, 6 into 3 into 7 into 11. Okay, now 6 3s are 18, 18 into 7 into 11. Now 18 7s are 126 into 11. So 126 into 11 you will multiply it. 126 into 11, 126, then 126, 8 3 1. So your multiplication answer is 1386. Okay, so this is the LCM here. Students, LCM is 1386. So you will write it here, 1386. That is your LCM. Okay, clear? Now your duty is, first fraction is 5 by 7. In 5 by 7 the denominator is 7. So 1386 में आप 7 से divide करोगे. Okay, so look here, I am dividing here. This is also the rough work. Okay, so 7 and 1386. 7 1s are 7, and then after that 6 is remaining. 8 7 9s are 63. Then 5. Then 6 has been noted down. 7 8s are 56. So here your division is 198. Then 198 into 5. जो डिवाइड करने पर आंसर आता है हम उसे न्यूमरेटर से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. सो 198 into 5. 8 5s are 40. 0 here, 4 will be carry forward. 5 9s are 45. 45 plus 4, 49. Then 5 1s are 5 and 4 9. So here 990. Same pattern you will follow each and every fractions. Now in the second fraction the denominator is 9. So 9 से हम LCM वाले नंबर पे डिवाइड करेंगे. 9 then 1386. 9 1s are 9, then 4, then 8. Okay, 9 5s are 45. Then 3 and 6. 9 4s are 36. So your answer is 154 and the denominator is 5 here. So you will multiply it. 154 into 5. 5 4s are 20. 0 here and 2 will be carry forward. 5 5s are 25. 25 plus 2 27. And 5 and 2 7. So 770 you will write it here. Okay. Then in the third fractions the denominator is 6. So you will multiply. First you will divide 1386 by 6. So 6 1386. Okay students, 6 2s are 12, then 1 and 8. 6 3s are 18, and then 6 6 1s are 6. Okay, so your answer is 231 and the numerator is same. 5 has been given in each and every fraction, so 5 you will multiply from here. 5 ones are 5, 5 3s are 15, 5 here, 1 will be carry forward, 5 2s are 10 and 1 11. Okay, 5 ones are 5, 5 3s are 15 and 5 2s are 10 and 11. Okay, so number is 1155, 1155. Now last fraction is 5 by 11. It means you will divide with 11. So 11 and LCM number is 1386. 11 1 ja 11. Okay, then 2 8, 11 2s are 22, then 6 and 6 will be also noted down. 11 6 are 66. So 126 has been come. Now you will multiply 126 into 5. Remember students, जब भी आप करिए इसे रफ वर्क एकदम क्लियर शो करिएगा जैसे हम शो कर रहे हैं, ठीक है. सो 5 6 are 30, 0 here, 3 will be carry forward, 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 3 13. Okay, 5 and 1 6. Okay, multiplication is 630. You will write it here 630. Okay students, so now you can write it here as like this: 990 upon 1386, and second 770 upon 1386, and in third 1155 upon 1386, and in last 630 upon 1386. Okay, so here you will write it here in the descending order. So you will write it here in descending order. In descending order you will write it here. सबसे पहले सबसे बड़ा नंबर that has been given this, यानी 1155 divided upon 1386. Then after that इसके बाद first number, it means 990 upon 1386, then 770 upon 1386, then 630 upon 1386. Okay, so on the basis of that type of the pattern you will also put your fraction here. That is your third fraction, and in the question what is the third fraction? 5 upon 6. Okay, then after that first fraction here that has been given. First fraction is 5 by 7. You will write it here. Then after that second fraction 770 upon 1386, 1386, and the second fraction is here 5 by 9. Okay, and then at last 630, that is the last fraction that has been given here, 5 by 11. Okay students, so you will write it here on the symbol therefore. So students, if you have any doubt regarding the descending order, then you can also ask the query with me without any hesitation. Okay students, your fourth question has been finished here. In the next class I will start question number 5. In exercise 3 there are the 6 questions, so 5 and 6 question I will solve in the next class. Okay.